My role in Metis is I'm a Director Technology or a CTO for the organization. So since the inception of Metis, I would say that we have been very customer focused, and one of the things which has been core of our value is that how we can collaborate with our customers. Our first focus when we started the company was more on a public sector and public safety, and we started from those industries, that how we can help our customers in the public sector industry or around public safety, because that has been a very key industry in Pakistan. From there we moved into telecom, and we started working with many of the telecom customers, and today we can say that most of the major telecom operators are our customers in today's time. And from there we have now shifted our focus to financial services industries, because that is one of the big industry and a key industry in Pakistan, which has a lot of potential and is growing quite rapidly, and that's where we started working with the customers in FSI. These are the three basic industries, I would say, or primary industries. Which another industry that where we are going next is the retail, because I see a lot of potential, a lot of requirements in what we do are coming from this industry, and this retail industry is becoming more and more mature and demanding, and they are also looking more towards being at the cutting edge. So that's where I see our next focus will be. The way I see it, the CIO of today is quite different from the CIO of maybe a decade ago. In the last 1 decade or so, the CIO's focus was always about adoption of technology, or how we can have things introduced in the organization from a technology point of view. They are more focused on business, that how they can enable business. They want to empower the business, they want to empower the customers. Because of that, they are looking at adoption of the technology in the same way. And as you said, because of the introduction of roles like Chief Digital Officer or Chief Disruption Officer, CIOs see themselves no different from them. That how they can help these CDOs as well as the organization in providing the best value and to the business and to their end users. Now, from an innovation point of view, obviously they have been looking at how they can innovate, and one of the biggest challenge which they face is around that yes, innovation is there, but how they can sustain this innovative culture on a long haul, and how they can keep doing innovation as they move forward, and not just by like one go or for one time. And there are two key strengths I see. One is around the technology, that how we are evolving and adapting the technology. We have to be at the cutting edge, because technology is really driving it. But the reason the technology is driving is also because of the demand coming from the consumers and the customers. They are the center and the focus today for any business. This is no longer a time where the organizations were looking at adapting a technology for the sake of their business. Today it is all about the consumers and the customers. One of the challenge I see in our business as well is around the skilled workforce. That technology adaptation is there, the new technology avenues are available, but we still do not have the workforce available in Pakistan to meet the demands. The second area which I see is long-term strategy around digitization. The customers and the organizations are still somewhat focused on siloed strategy. They are looking at from a group point of view, from a department's point of view, instead of having an enterprise-wide strategy of how they want to move towards digitization. And that's where we are working with the customers as well to come up with the enterprise-wide strategy for digitalization and adoption of these technologies, with customers being the center focus point. That the technology has changed drastically in the last maybe 4 or 5 years. The expectations has changed a lot. In the last decade or so, it was not that fast paced, whereas today the focus is that how we can be at the cutting edge, how we can be competitive through introducing new services, through introducing new systems, which has led to a very challenging environment as well, both for the consumers, customers and the organizations. Another area is because of this globalization, and if you see that there are more and more global services, those are being available in Pakistan. That puts another challenge to the local organizations to provide the similar level of experience and services to consumers. So the consumers are becoming more demanding, and that is, I see, is something which is changing the Pakistani market as well, from a digitization point of view, from a customer experience point of view, from an adaptation of technology, and I see this is going to grow even more in the coming years. If you look at the retail boom currently, all the e-commerce services available in Pakistan today, which were not there 5 years ago, or the adaptation was not there, but today you see more and more e-commerce websites be coming up. Customers are demanding more and more services to be available online, and that is where the country is going as well. I really thank IDG for helping shape this market, because I see IDG has played a very instrumental role being a bridge between what the industry wants and what the technology service providers are providing as well. So I see IDG is playing a very important role.